people, you see, thinking the common interest is more important than national sort of interest alone. So with Tibet also, no matter what past history, now Tibet materially backward. Every Tibetan want to modernize. I frankly speaking, quite a bit of Tibetan illegally immigrated to United States. Why? They come to America not seeking spirituality, but seeking money.
Right.
So Tibetans also want richness, rich. And therefore, say, in order to material development, we remain within the People's Republic of China. We get greater benefit. Like railway, construction of railway links.
Yes.
These are the indication, the further development, provided used properly. Now, so far, they use mainly military sort of purpose like that. So in any way,